So hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be refreshing my office for summer. I have not done anything in here since Christmas. Yes, that's right. I have not done anything since Christmas. I have taken down my decorations in here, but I haven't really done anything else. I haven't really done any deep cleaning, anything like that. So yes, it's quite dirty, dusty, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I refresh this room for summer, just keep on watching. Are here with this shelf right here. As you can see, I have some of my DIYs and some pictures that I need to hang up. So I'm going to be doing that, as well as just getting over in here and cleaning out some of the baggage that I have. This is from like old packages and things like that that have come in that wound up in the corner. And so yeah, I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to get up there and clean all that off, dust. It's going to be so nice. So yeah, let's get into this. Alright guys, so I picked up these bookends from TJ Maxx maybe about a month or two ago, and so I'm going to be using these in my decor. Alright, and then on my other shelf I'm going to be using this diamond bookend. I'm going to be taking this seat cover here, which is actually just a rug, and just throwing it in the washing machine while I still have time to do that today. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that now. Alright, so right here on my desk, I'm just taking off the out of season body mist and lotions that I'm not going to be using. Alright, and now I'm just going to take this and wash it because, yeah, it's pretty dirty. Okay, now so I've cleared off a lot of this stuff. Now what I'm going to be doing is just taking all the makeup brushes and giving them a good clean down. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I know it's a little bit of a change from what we usually do here on my channel, but I do have a lifestyle channel which does incorporate, you know, lifestyle type things. I just kind of got away from doing that because I know the majority of you guys like seeing, you know, DIYs and things like that. But I like showing you guys different sides of me. And so, yeah, I will sporadically put things in so you guys can kind of get to know me a little bit better as well. I'm gonna take all these to the bathroom and wash them and continue with this. So yeah. I don't know if y'all can see this, but I'm about to go up here and take all this stuff down off the top of my shelf here and go ahead and wipe that down. I think I'm going to use this cake stand to style my makeup brushes, and I just got this from the Target dollar spot a while back, but they always have these. I got these from At Home, and I'm just going to hang these up on either side of my wall here. So I have one side over here and then one over here as well. Now this side I have this cord from my lamp here that's hanging over. And what I'm going to do to remedy that is just put a command hook over in the corner so that I can kind of guide that chain up and away from my picture. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So the last thing that I need to do is just wipe off this area, you know, take things down and wipe off this area here. So I'm going to do that. And what I'm going to do is just replace everything up there with some new spring decor. Actually, I have bought these, and these are just from the Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to do is put maybe some sayings in here and just kind of make things a little bit more uniform in here. If you guys can see, look how cute these are. These are like already blinged out. So I couldn't resist these at all. These are the only 4 that I could find. Alright, you guys remember this setup. This is exactly the same from Christmas. I'm going to take this stuff off, and I actually want to make a new candle stand because I feel like these are just a bit more winter-like, especially this one. It just reminds me of being in like a winter wonderland. So back here on this wall here, I'm going to be hanging up my DIY little pictures here that I made a while back. So I'm going to just hang them up with some command hooks that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm so excited. The last thing, let me see. Okay, so the last thing that I'm going to do, guys, is just put up some of this little fake garland over my top here. I know you can't see it, but over my cabinet here, just to kind of spring it up a little bit and dress it up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and then I can finally vacuum this room and be done. And And guys, I will be putting some pictures inside of here, but for now I'm just gonna leave the pictures plain because I wanted to get this video out for you guys. But all of these pictures, I am going to definitely work on getting pictures in there. So yeah, and I will update you guys as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here, as well as hitting that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. And look what he did. Oh my goodness. What do you think you're doing? Oh my God.